Fun stuff, huh?
Yeah. Tough stuff.
Yeah. Ginny's here. We are back in San Pedro today, and today it's all about Ginny and her amazing photographs of San Pedro.
Thank you.
She's all over Instagram as Ginny Gabu and Los Angeles Grammars.
Absolutely.
And
supporting the LA community.
And we are back not in the industrial section of San Pedro, but actually in the coastal area that you love. We are doing a walk. Tell everybody what our walk is today.
We are starting, this is Point Fermin Park. We will head down Paseo del Mar, Royal Palm and White Point Beach is there, and we have the Korean Bell up on the hill.
Yes, and I love your photos, which shows the best of San Pedro on Instagram every morning.
Thank you. Everyone waits. I have like a little group that waits to see what the weather's going to be like every morning. The Ginnicam. I want to figure out who has the most photos on their phone.
You or me? I know it's me. I have 15,000 photos. What do you have?
Oh,
what do you have?
Yeah. Just alone, 78,000.
Oh.
And that's just photos. Do I need to go on?
Okay, Ginny.
I'm in trouble.
You win. So how many of these will make it to your Instagram this week?
Well, maybe one.
That's it?
But yeah, I take so many. I'd be posting like every hour.
Tell everybody about this little area that we're walking in. This is Point Fermin Park, right?
Yes. We have the Korean Bell behind us.
This is your prime area for photography.
Yes.
This is where you come every day.
On a sunset, if I'm coming home from work or I'm running out, I'm sitting at my place, I'm like, sunset, I'm usually right at that corner.
Really?
Yeah, that's my spot.
For our photo walk, we parked at Walker's Cafe, which is one of the oldest restaurants in Los Angeles and a really popular spot for bikers. Now, immediately to the left is the notorious gated Sunken City, which we covered in a previous video. Check it out. From the cafe, be sure to stroll along the paved walkway, giving you a great view of the ocean and that magnificent island just directly across some 22 miles away. Hello, Catalina. Next stop,
we're going to the Lighthouse right now.
We are?
To the top.
My first
You've never
time.
done it. You've only been here for 3 years. See what happens when you go on a photo walk? With one of 2 lighthouses in San Pedro.
Yes.
Right, but one that you can actually walk into. Okay, we're ready to take lots of great pictures inside.
Okie dokie. Well, you just missed our 1 o'clock tour, so the next tour will be at 2 o'clock.
As we waited for the tour to start, we killed time by doing what else? Taking photos.
I'm going to talk to you in the camera.
Yeah.
Normally, we love the shade because you look fantastic in the shade right now. But the sun is so nice on this lighthouse. It's making everything. It's making the colors warm and beautiful. And I just want to show everybody how great you look in the shade.
Oh,
see?
I'll take shade.
Yeah.
It looks better.
Yeah.
For the tour, they had a no photography rule through the historic house, which they waived once we got up to the tower.
50 steps up, right? Wow, that's a nice view.
It's not a bad office. I learned so much just on that tour.
But photo-wise, it was tough. I don't think there was any great photo ops, and it was even from the top, it wasn't that great.
From the Lighthouse, next stop, the Korean Friendship Bell.
You love this spot?
I do.
Because?
Morning times. Oh, the views in the morning, sunrise. Well, the thing to me is how many people drive just to Pedro for this? Snapseed, we pop all those
Do it.
colors out. So let's just take this one. Now watch this. I wonder if I should do HDR. Let's see what, look at that. But I don't want it, the clouds, I want more bubbly. So I'll leave a little HDR, and then I'm gonna go here and do a lot of structure and saturation to make the colors come out. Look at that already. How did you get started? On YouTube?
Oh, on YouTube. Oh, I did a video in Japan a few years ago, and I showed it to my friend, the friend I'm going to see tonight, and he says, well, that stinks because you didn't put any photo tips in there, and if you're going to do travel videos, you need to do photo tips. So I said, okay, and then I tried to come up with a concept, and I came up with this photo walking concept.
I like the photo walk.
Thank you.
Because you can incorporate what you're seeing, and like not only tips, but you can just see what are we doing, how do we get these photos. We're not just driving around, and
we get out of the car. We get out of the car. That's the main thing. The main thing is you get out of the car and you see things that you just wouldn't see. We walked in and said, can we take photos? And they said, no, but if you take the tour, you can take photos. Neither of us were going to take the tour. It was never going to happen.
No.
But there, we were there. We were out of the car. We did it.
Speaking of cars, Cabrillo Beach was our next stop. It's about a mile from Point Fermin and a little too far to walk. This is where Ginny goes for those iconic sunset shots, a glimpse of the Angels Gate Lighthouse, and a back view of Sunken City.
I'm sensing that it's a perfect day for windsurfing. From what I understand, you don't have to slither through a gate to see the Sunken City. You could actually go right this way.
No slither needed. Follow this path, go to the right, and there's a lot to see. Beautiful tide pools, and just be cautious because it is slippery, you know, and there is a lot of glass sometimes and a lot to look at.
From the parking lot, it's a small drive to the end of the dock. This is where you get your Angels Gate Lighthouse shot, and you see more of the dramatic coastline and a great view of the LA port.
Okay, so this is the end of the trail.
This is the end.
Yeah, let's walk over there. You have an amazing shot of the lighthouse where you could see the window.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
You got that from here?
No, I was actually in a helicopter hovering over the breakwall. If you have at least a long lens, go to the very end of the pier.
Okay, I have a really long lens, so let's go do it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get a shot from here. It'll pale compared to your helicopter shot, but this is as close as we're gonna get, right?
You're gonna do a good job.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera in your hand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Let's see how we can do. If we went on that boat, that's the killer shot. So what boat do we need to take?
It's called the Harbor Cruise. It will get you very near to the lighthouse, a lot closer than I got with my 600mm lens from the dock. The last stop of the photo walk is White Point Beach. It's about 3 miles from Cabrillo, and it's home to a really rugged coast with those dramatic rocks and so many tide pools. And that wraps up our photo walk from San Pedro with Ginny.
Thanks for showing us Ginny's San Pedro today. This was lots of fun.
It was fantastic.
Don't forget to check out Ginny's Instagram, Ginny Gabu.
Yes.
G-A-B-U, Instagram. I'm at Jefferson Graham. Also, Los Angeles Grammars. Give a little plug. Tell everybody about Los Angeles Grammars.
Please, Los Angeles Grammars, we support the community, and it's all about
Great shots of LA.
Oh, definitely. That's where you go to find all the LA shots.
So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment, and send lots of love to Ginny.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. From San Pedro.